Good night, students. How are we? No answer?
We're there, sir. We're there.
Yeah, come here. One day for us.
Good evening, sir.
Hey, Gilly. I wonder if us go to bed.
Just with the talk and start fast. I mean, I wonder what
You know, it is the power of the Lord that liveth in me.
Okay, Prophet son. Okay.
Yes. All right. Okay, so we are moving from Kramer's today to our APGP. And we are here up until 10. At some point in time tonight, I'm going to break and give you a Kramer's question that I want you to send off to me tonight. That is going to be part of your coursework. Now, let me tell you something. Me not take none of this tomorrow or the following day or the day after following day, support and so on. At tonight we want it. So I'm going to break at some point in time tonight. And I'm going to give you maybe about 20 minutes or so.
Sir, I wasn't hearing you clearly.
All right, so let me go again then. So I'm saying to you, I'm going to start off with our APGP because I'm finished with Kramer's now. And then at some point in time during the course of tonight's class, I'm going to give you a Kramer's question to be done. It's going to be a graded piece. And we're going to sit in class, we're going to do it. We're going to upload the question to me tonight and not accepting any late work. Students, let me just say this. I'm teaching coming to you, Naja, I'm teaching 5 courses. 5 courses. And I have to be pacing myself with these stuff. Now, the plan is, when I finish class at 10 o'clock with you tonight, I shall be going to my bed shortly thereafter. But based on what has been happening to me, I am getting up like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. The question that I have for you, I've written that question from over the weekend. So I've already done the solution. So my aim is to mark it, if not this tomorrow morning, God's willing, by tomorrow afternoon. I can send it off to you guys, and I have to do this in order to get my coursework pieces from you. So it means that those people who would send me the work late, I'm not going to be marking. Real talk. So, and I'm recognizing that there are only 12 of you here. Well, 13 now. Not even 13, still 12 because Mr. Thames is here twice. So that's why I'm not going to start with the question just yet. And I'm going to be teaching some things first. So those students who are coming late will access the lesson via asynchronously. The recordings are uploaded, and all of them, matter of fact, for this week, I'll just have this one here for you. Please use and use wisely, and make sure that you're studying, students. Peace and thanks. Are there any questions for me? Narsha, go ahead.
Good night.
Good night,
I was
love.
asking where were we going to upload it?
I would tell you. I would tell you. I would tell you. Yeah, when I'm giving you the question, I'll tell you. All right. What should I do? Oh Lord. All right, let's go. We're doing we're starting our Kramers. I really hope you guys are coming tonight with little vibes for study and for learn. I am just coming out of a class 5 to 7. And here with you now for 7 to 10. It's rough. And I'm doing this because I believe in you. And I believe that you, with just a little bit more work, you should be able to go across the threshold. And as such, I am going there with you. All right, this thing is not opening. I don't know why it is taking so long. Same thing in the last class. All right, now, before I share my screen, let me just go back to, okay, so I am confident with Kramer's for most of you. And I'm saying most because I know it's not all of you that got it. In the last couple of classes, I've been calling upon some people and they're not responding to me. But, you know, if you fail to prepare, you just have to prepare to fail. And you have to do what you need to do. But if I were to backtrack on what I did on for Kramer's life, what you guys did on the exam paper, I recognize that a number of you did not understand at all sequence and series, APGP. A number of you just did not understand it. Some of you created some formulations that I'm sure if the Popo saw it, they would have arrested you. We're starting afresh, and I'm hoping that just like for Kramer's, when you saw things, that you can see these things now. The Kramer's were, well, the APGP on the exam paper was atrocious. Now it is that we are going to be doing something else. Hold on 1 minute, please. Let me just share this document and step away for 2 seconds. Sorry, Naja, did you answer your question? Can't remember.
Repeat, sir.
Did you ask me your question? You had your hand raised. Did you ask me?
Yes, I was asking where are we going to upload it on? Because I wanted to know if I should do it in my book or
Yeah, man, it's still to be done in the book, and then you just take photographs and upload. I just didn't, yeah, man. But that's won't tell you. That's I have 1 of 2 places, so I'll decide which of them. All right, let's go. So you're seeing my screen, so let's go with let's go. Sequence and series. We're looking at arithmetic progression. My first term is going to be denoted A. My first term is going to be denoted A. Because I'm talking about my arithmetic progression, I will speak of a common difference. Because I'm talking about arithmetic progression, I'll speak of a common difference. My last term will be denoted L. My last term will be denoted L. The number of terms will be denoted N. And to determine the sequence of the progression, Tn is going to be A plus N minus 1 times D. That refers to the last term. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 times D. And then, to calculate the sum, Sn is equal to N over 2. And I have 2 formulas. Both of them start with n over 2. And I can say a plus L, n over 2, a plus L. So watch me. S subscript n is equal to n over 2, a plus L. But recall, the last term is going to be equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. See here, the last term is denoted by that. So if I were to substitute this into here, hold on a minute, please. All right, sorry about that here, guys. And then now, so both L's are the same. So if I were to make a substitution, S subscript n is going to be equal to n over 2, a plus, and then I'm going to put all of this there instead of L. So I'm going to have a plus n minus 1 times d. So what it is that I've done is this L, I'm making a substitution right here so for it. And see it right here, so is the same thing here I put in. So what I'm going to have now is the same thing as n over 2. What is a plus a? 1a plus 1a equals
2A.
2a. So I'm going to have 2a plus n minus 1 times d. And that's what I end up getting this formula. So both formulas are the same. It's just that one of them you can use to find the last term if the last term is given. If the last term is not given, you have to use the second one. N over 2 plus times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. And I'll show you how we do that calculation. I'll show you how we do that calculation. Are you with me?
Or with you, sir. This. Me try to find out the exam.
All right, good, no problem. I hear you.
Please.
No problem, Kelly. I hear you. Yes, Kerry, I recognize that's what you went off in the exam last time. Yeah, I saw that.
Thought I had it, but it had me.
Clearly. Clearly. Okay. Hold on 1 minute, please. All right, Gilly. So I hear you. You said that you're not following. All right, sorry. Somebody's asking for the link. Oh crap. Hold on, guys, hold on. Hmm. Just look at it in the meantime, what I have on screen. And then when I'm going through, it's important for you to be honest with me tonight. Sir, I don't understand. Sir, I understand, so that we don't leave tonight's class without you. Okay, so I don't have to leave them. All right. Okay. Okay, Winnie. Okay, all right. So I was just responding to some private messages. All right. So I'm going to go through again, but please, guys, it's important that you say to me, sir, I understand, and I don't understand, sir, I understand. And I want you to be very honest. I don't want anybody to shy away from talking to me, because we don't want any mishap. Let's go. We're looking at sequence and series. And the first one we're looking at is arithmetic progression. We're looking at the arithmetic progression, AP. And I'm just giving you some symbols. We use some symbols to represent our arithmetic progression. A, and A means first term. First letter of the alphabet, first term. D for difference, common difference. L is the last term. N is a number of terms. Tn is a formulation to calculate the last term. Tn is going to be A plus n minus 1 times D. I'm gonna show you how all of that ties in nicely. So you soon see, but just try and follow what it is that we're talking about. And then my sum is one of two things. If I'm given the last term, it's going to be Sn, S subscript n is going to be equal to n over 2 times A plus L. N over 2 times A plus L. And I'm saying to you also that if the last term is not given, we can't use a formula n over 2 times A plus L if we don't know the last term. So in that case, if the last term is not given and they ask us to find the sum, you have to then use this one. And how do we move from this formula to this formula? Because we have a last term formula, A plus n minus 1 times D, see here? A plus n minus 1 times D. All I'm doing is substituting it into this formula for L. I'm just substituting for L. I'm substituting it for L. And when I substitute it for L, I'm now going to have A plus n minus 1 times C, all of this. But I know that A plus A is 2A. So that is going to be 2A plus n minus 1 times D. And this is what I have here, n over 2 times 2A plus n minus 1 times D. All right? So there you have your formulation. Let me ask you a question. Are you able to follow, based on what I just did again for the second time, the formulation for the arithmetic progression?
Yes, sir.
Good job. Is there anyone in? Go ahead. Somebody said, sir, a while ago. Who was that?
Romain.
Yes, sir, Romain. You're following, Papa?
No, sir.
Okay. You just joined?
I I joined right when they started.
All right. All right. So for the last time, guys, I'm going to go through this. When I'm looking at my arithmetic progression, I will have a first term, and my first term is going to be denoted by A. So to give that question answer, the first term is roots. You're going to write A equal roots, because A is the first term. It is understood that A is your first term. You don't have to go write out FIRST-TERM. No, wasting time in the exam is not an English exam. You write A equal roots. When I'm reading it, I read the first term is roots. And then it says D. D is speaking about the common difference. D is speaking about the common difference. And then I speak about L. And L is speaking about the last term. L is speaking about the last term. And then I speak about N. N is referring to the number of terms. Similarly, I speak about my last term to be A plus N minus 1 times D. My last term to be A plus N minus 1 times D. So to calculate the sum is going to be Sn is equals to N over 2 times A plus L. That's what the sum formula is. N over 2 times A plus L. N over 2 times A plus L. Now, there are times you are given the question to evaluate, but you're not given the last term. You're not given the last term because the last term is not known. In that case, you have to make a substitution because you know in order to find the last term, you're going to use A plus N minus 1 times D. So all we're going to be doing is substitute this A plus N minus 1 times D for this last term L. And see here, instead of writing A plus L, I'm substituting L for A plus N minus 1 times D. And then we're just putting things together. A plus A is 2A plus N minus 1 times D. So this is going to be the formulation for the sum of an arithmetic progression. That's all that there is to it. What I'll try to do with you is I'll try to develop the lesson.
Okay, sir.
But sir, I
All
just
right.
if you did say that earlier, then we would catch it at that time. But me just catch it now.
If I did say what?
The same thing we just said a while ago. Because now I see I'm actually following now and I see how when we're looking for the last term, what we do, the substitution.
But I said it, everything I just said a while ago is a repeat of, that was my third time repeating it. Ask class. Class, did I say that before?
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Yeah, man. You were asleep, man, Romain, but never mind. I'm happy.
There, man. Yes, sir. Me get it, you know.
Steve,
Yeah.
sir.
Appreciate it. But somebody was saying, sir, though. Who was that?
The Lord.
Okay, great. All right. Yeah, man. So let me try to develop the lesson now. I'm going to give you 2, 4, 6, 8, dot. You don't know what those dot, you don't know how far it goes. I can't tell you, say, it has X number of terms or whatever the situation is. It just continues. But I am now asking you to evaluate the sum of the first 5 terms. Okay, but sorry to give it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, That means, sir, we just add up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them and I'm gonna get the sum. We could try it now. 2 plus 4 is 6, don't?
Yes, sir.
6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 plus 8 is 20, and 20 plus 10 is 30. Oh, sir, so I get the 30. Everybody, so we get the sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good
Yeah,
job.
yeah, when I do the addition, this, yeah.
Good. What is the first term?
2.
2.
2. 2. Sir, why is 2 the first term? It called first. It called first. So whichever number called first at the first term. Wanna get me?
Yes, sir.
So yes, sir.
In this
So far.
case, right? In this case, which is the last term?
30.
30. That's what you say last.
Which is it? Which is
Sorry,
the last
10.
10. 10 of the last term in the remain. Look on it, man. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Oh, no,
In
me
this
not. No, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Sir.
No, it's all right. That's our word. You see it now.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah.
I even just gonna say away you read off of because me
so the last term in this case is 10. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Good. And A is
2.
L
A
is
is 2. I is 10.
no, not
L
I.
is
Oh,
12.
L.
L is
10.
L is
10.
12.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, 10.
10. Yeah, man. All right, now watch this magic. What is D?
Sir, 2.
2. But true.
yeah, 2, sir, because 2 are the common difference between all the numbers.
2 is a common difference between the numbers. Sir, how do we get a common difference again? We take any number and subtract it from the previous number. Previous mean the one before. So 4 minus 2 is
No,
Alright, so
2.
you just say that so,
good.
so I can just write it down.
What did that boy?
Any to get a common difference, you select any number and subtract the previous number from it. Select any number and subtract the previous number from it. Select a number and subtract the previous number from it. So 4 minus 2 equals
2.
6 minus 4 equals
2.
8 minus 6 equals
2.
and 10 minus 8 equals
2.
2.
you said 4 a while ago. Yeah, 2. So that's how we calculate the common difference. How we calculate the common difference? We select any term and subtract the previous term from it, the term before it. So could I use 2 to calculate the common difference?
Yes, I guess.
Oh,
But there is no previous number before the 2.
there is no previous number in front of it. Very good, Keisha. Keisha. Now, do you see what it is? I can't use the 2 to calculate the common difference because there's no previous number before the of the 2.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, man. So I just take any number and subtract the previous number from it. I can't use the first term. Why comes? Because there's no number preceding the first term. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
I want the rest of you who are not, is the same set of people answering me, so I can see there are 4 or 5 students in front of the computer. I want the rest of you to respond. Let me know that you're following. All right. So now, I am saying to you now that we're guessing that the last term is equal to 10. We're going to try and calculate it. We're going to try and calculate. The last term is equal to A plus n minus 1 times d. We want to see what the last term is. What's the value of a again?
2,
2,
How many terms do we have in that?
5,
Very good.
1, 2, 3,
What's the common difference?
2.
2,
Job. What is 5 minus 1?
Minus 4.
4.
What is 4 times 2?
4
8.
times 8.
What is 8 plus 2?
8
10.
plus
10.
All right. So you see how I use my formulation just now to get the same 10?
Mm-hmm. Oh, all right. That's something else you said. All right.
Everybody see that?
Oh,
How I use the
so-
formulation here?
Right. So now we start to substitute
Right.
the numbers for the letters. And we say, okay,
Yeah, man.
Sure, Susie, right?
Yes, Sus.
That's it.
I forget the last term.
Sir, stop it now, man.
Me not play. Me not play. It that. Don't we guess it up yourself a bit. We did guess it right yourself a bit 10, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Because we look on the last term right yourself a 10.
Mm-hmm.
And then no, we just play around it to just make sure it's really 10 and see. We
All
try.
right.
And
So
we
me just ask, you know. Me just
Me
ask.
not
because
eat that. Me
me
not go around. So me not go around the Sue. Me not go around. I
All
eat that.
right. Cool. Thank you.
No problem, my love. Eat that. Students, I'm telling you the honest truth. The topic, no hard.
So hold on. Where said the T represent?
The T is for me to write down my sequence, and I soon show you. I'm going to show you shortly what it is. I soon show you what it is to get my sequence. Naja, that was you?
No, sir.
Who was that?
Atisha.
Oh, Latisha, okay. Because, all right, come on. Come on, so because I soon show you something. I don't say you work with me for now for the last term. All right. Now, what should I do? All right. Since I need more space and I can do this piece up here, so let me just answer Latisha's question first. So if I'm trying to calculate Tn, T1, remember n is a number of terms, you know, don't it? See it so? N is a number of terms, don't?
Yeah.
Sure.
So if I'm trying to calculate if I'm trying to write on the number of terms, if I'm trying to write on the terms in this sequence, I'm trying to write on the terms in this sequence. And I know n is equals to 1. N is equals to 1. But a is still 2. And if n is equals to 1, it's going to be 1 minus 1. And the common difference is 2. What is 1 minus 1?
0.
0. What is 0 times 2?
4.
0,
Times 2.
Yeah.
Oh.
0,
0. And what is 2 plus 0?
2.
2,
2. And that's how we get this 2 right here. So the first term. All right. So I can create the sequence by using this. No, I move on. So that's the first term. So this is going to be the second term. Right? So the second term now I'm going to call T2 from this up here. The first term is still 2. The second term now, that means n is going to be equal to 2 minus 1 times 2. What is 2 minus 1?
1,
1.
And what is 1 times 2?
2,
And what is 2 plus 2?
4,
And that's how we get the 4 right here. So see here, so boom, 4. If we want to write down the third term of the sequence, so we need to find T3. T3 now is going to be equal. The first term is still 2. The number of terms now is going to be 3 minus 1 times the common difference 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, don't. and 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 6. So you see me get the 6 right here, so?
Times 2.
You get
Sir,
this something?
2, 4 is what?
Right. No, that's 3 times 2 you mean. Right. 6. Oh, do the next one. We'll do the next one. We'll use 4.
No, somebody say me mean something, but me no mean nothing else. That me mean, when me say me mean, when me say a while
Oh,
ago,
but you said 4 times 2, sir.
4 plus 2. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6. All right. And then now, if I want to calculate T4, the fourth term, it's going to be 2 plus 4 minus 1, which is n minus 1, times the common difference, which is 2. Because the common difference is 2, the first term is 2, it not change. 4 minus 1 is 3. But it's 3 times 2, not 6. And 6 plus 2, 8. So we get the 8 right here, so now. So the T subscript n Letitia is just to write the couple terms of the sequence. We use it to write the couple terms of the sequence. But it is also used to calculate the last term. Go ahead.
So you use the T when you the T when the last term is known, sir. Not it?
No, the T subscript n is used when it is that you're trying to write on the couple of the terms of the sequence.
Okay.
So it's like we're writing on the first five terms of the sequence, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We're going to use a T formula for write it down, for calculate it, so we can write on the sequence. I'm going to give you some examples so you see it a little clearer. All right? But I'm also saying to you that it is used also to calculate my last term. It is also used to calculate my last term. Also used to calculate my last term.
So we don't have to use the S subscript N?
No, that is a sum.
Oh, it's sum. Okay.
Right. We're not reach the sum yet. So we are going to be moving to the sum now. But before I do, any questions?
Sir, how do we get the difference?
We take any term and subtract the previous term from it.
Okay, sir.
Let me show you something. My first term is A. In order to get the second term, it's going to be A plus B. It's going to be A plus B. A is the first term, 2. D is the common difference, 2. 2 plus 3 is equal to 4. In order for me to get the third term, it's going to be A plus 2D. 2 times 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 2 will be 12. So the term that is not written there will be 12. So what I'm saying to you is, once I'm speaking about my first term is just given by A.
Sorry, go back, developing, because I think you move faster than my brain.
The first term is always A, don't?
Yeah.
See there, A, comma, that means the A part done. Then in order for me to get the second term, it's going to be A plus D. So or you get the first term to be A plus D. The first term to be A plus D.
I'm following, sorry. Hello?
Yeah, man, I hear you, man. First term is A plus D.
Yeah.
So it's going to be the first term, A plus the common difference.
So
but if the common difference is 2, every time you go up, you're adding 2 to it down. So you're gonna have the first term, and if the common difference is 2, you're gonna add 2 to it. So you're gonna get the second term. Talk through.
yes.
Yeah, man. So see it here, so. And then in order to get a third term, now you have to add 2 more to the common difference. See it here, 2 more to the common difference plus the first term. So what I'm saying, right? It's arithmetic progression. So arithmetic means
going to add it.
Add. So what I'm saying to you is that my first term is denoted by A as given. My second term will be A plus D. My third term will be A plus 2D. My fourth term will be A plus 3D. My fifth term is A plus 4D. My sixth term is A plus 5D. What is my seventh term?
Seventh term would be
A plus 7.
A plus
A
6D.
plus 6D.
Plus 6D. What will be my 15th term?
A plus 14D.
99th term.
A plus
98.
98.
A plus 98.
so always one less than the term.
And see why the one less come here now? The one less come with the n minus 1. One less. I hate that. So that's why the last term is given by A plus n minus 1 times D. That's the point I'm trying to make. 1 minute, please, guys. Look at that in the meantime, guys. I beg you 2 minutes, please. first have done, students, about deriving my last term.
So what was the question, sir?
Can you see how I derive the last term formula? Why it is n-1?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I see it, but do it again, because me want it register.
All right, no
the-
problem.
But this
No problem.
formula is to find the terms.
The last, right. So I use a Tn.
So irrespective of the term that is asked to be found,
Mhm,
this is the formula.
mhm,
All right.
mhm. So when I give you the questions, you will see how we use it. So put it this way. You may see a particular ingredient. I may say, Lord, that may not eat that. But when you put it with something, it really accentuates the taste. This is what is going to happen. This formula is very useful in arithmetic progression. Almost, sorry, every question you get in arithmetic progression, you're going to be using that formula. Almost every question, you're going to be using that formula. So let's go. I'm developing. Susie said, I started it one more time. See it, but my mom ready to say, no problem. Teams, make sure you pay attention, you know. So I have my first term to be A. So how you know that the first term is denoted by A? To get my second term is going to be A plus D. See it right here, so A plus D. To get my third term is going to be A plus 2D. So how you know that? N is the number of terms. N is the number of terms. And we have the third term is going to be 3 minus 1 is 2. So you're going to have A plus 2D. See it here, so? The fourth term, N is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. A plus 3D. See it here, so? The fifth term, N is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4 times D is 4D. A plus 4D. A plus 4D. And the sixth term is going to be 6 minus 1, which is 5. So it's 5D. A plus 5D. See there? So the number of terms is going to be 1 less. The number of terms is going to be 1 less. Sir, what do you mean by 1 less? The fifth term, I have 1 less D. The fourth term, sorry, I'm going to have 3D, 1 less D. The fifth
Sir,
term,
I get it. Sorry.
you catch it now?
Yeah.
Good. All right. So let us look at the sum. We calculated the sum and we got the sum to be 30. So I'm saying to you now, Sn is going to be equal to n over 2 times a plus L. The number of terms is 5 over 2. The first term is 2. And then what is L? All right.
10 last term.
Sorry guys, I'm coming to you in a few. All right. All right. So A is 2, and L, the last term is, you remember L, what was L again, Mr. Remember?
10,
The last,
10.
huh?
10, sir.
10. Very good. What is 2 plus 10?
12,
That would be 12 over 1. 2 into 12 goes 1. 2 into 12 goes 6. What is 6 times 5?
30.
Magic. So you see what I'm saying to you? Whoever asks a question, Susie Q, whoever else. So once I know the last term, and I know the first term, and I know the number of terms, I can calculate the sum. Because I just use that formula to calculate it. Now, what if I didn't know the last term? If I didn't know the last term, I'd have to go say the sum is going to be equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. The number of terms is still 5. We know that. The first term is 2. We know we have 5 terms, so it's going to be 5 minus 1, and we know the common difference is 2. So we have 5 over 2. What is 2 times 2?
4,
4. What is 5 minus 1?
4,
Times 2. And 4 times 2?
8.
8 plus 4.
12, uh,
6 times 5.
30.
So what I'm saying to you, it doesn't matter which of the ways I do the question, I get the answer. But if I'm not given the last term, I have to use the one in blue. If I'm given the last term, I can use the one in green. Am I clear?
No, sir, you're not clear. Go again, the one in blue, what? If you're given the last term? And the one in green if you don't?
Last term, not known.
Oh, I'm mixing them up, sorry. So blue is
Last
not known and
term,
green is known.
known.
All right, thanks.
Cool. Are we okay so far?
Yes, sir.
All right. While you work with me now, guys.
Hey man,
Attempt
sir,
that.
may I hold on?
Them are good. Attempt that one for me, please. Attempt that one for me. Let me see how astute you guys are. Just attempt that one. I give you 3 minutes.
Sir, can you scroll back up to the top, please?
Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Back down a little bit.
That was it, you know. That was the end of that.
Okay.
All right. Are we all together here?
Yes, sir.
All right. So my little word of encouragement as I read 1 or 2 of these messages, don't give up on me. I am here to guide you. You have to have that trust with me, the teacher, to trust me that I'll take you there. What is important though, you have to be willing to take my lead. Jump, walk, run, duck. Just listen to what I'm saying. You should get there. So I gave you a follow-up question, and I was not creative at all. I used the same set of stuff and just said to you, yo, given 2, 4, 6, evaluate the sum of the first 20 terms. Uh-oh. They're asking us to evaluate the sum of the first 20 terms. Do we have the first term?
Yes, sir, which is 2. So that will be A equal to.
Do we have the common difference?
Common difference is 2.
Good. Do I have the last term?
Not at all.
No,
Okay,
sir.
because it asked me for the first 20 terms. So if I did have all of 20 of those numbers, the 20th one will be the last term, don't?
But then they say them, man.
Very good. So I'm happy that some of you are seeing that. The rest of you see that?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me just point it out for the rest of them who don't see it. So when we're doing this question, I said to you that calculate the sum of the first 5 terms. We could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So because it asked me to calculate the sum of the first 5 terms, and this is the 5th term, I know the last term is 10. Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
Good. The one here now. Uh-oh. The one here now say, evaluate the sum of the first 20 terms. 1, 2, 3. Not the last term. I don't know what the last term is. I do not know what the last term is. So therefore, I can go on like I'm going to use the A plus L formula. So since I don't know the last term, I have to say Sn is equals to n over 2.
Oh, so we use the S formula. So Sn equal n over 2. Bracket, oh, you got that again? Bracket did it?
Yeah, man. Times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. I can't use the L. I can't use A plus L because the last term is not given. Sir, how you know? That one is a 20. But when you count 1, 2, 3. We don't know what the 4th one, we know the 5th. But sir, don't be so smart. You can go ahead and count 4, 8, then 10, then 12. Me, if I go down to the 20 terms, negative. Negative. And don't be like that either. Because how they will write the question, they will write the question in such a way that you can't catch it. I am developing the topics. I am doing things that are pretty simple so that you can see it. All right, let's go. A is equals to 2, yes. D is also equals to 2. And the number of terms equal?
3.
3. 20.
20.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so to calculate the first 20 terms, and the first 20 terms you're calculating now.
So it will
So-
be
Yes, sir. 20.
the term I'll try to find.
So S20 now going to be 20 over 2
That's 20.
times 2a, 2 times 2, plus
20
20
minus 1.
times d. What is d? 2. Yes, Miss Shan, I see you rich class, man. I hear talk to the teacher. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 2 times 2.
4.
20 minus 1.
19.
19 times 2.
38.
38. 38 plus 4.
42.
42 times 10.
420.
Much.
Third question.
Yo.
So me never so me never define what. Never mind. Oh, so me did just that doubt myself then, sir.
Same way, so.
Look in the chat.
Sir, that is it. Done. Yes, Miss Naja, you get it wrong. I mean, right. Sorry, you get it right. No, I said wrong. Naja, tell me I think I said wrong.
Because me say if it wrong one more
Right.
time.
Yes. So I
Sir.
am responding to you and I'm reading your message and I'm saying wrong. You're right, Nasha. Very nice.
Sir, come now, Susie.
Yeah,
That is
Susie.
it.
That is it.
Yeah.
That is it. No, let me tell you what it is. You must know the formulas. You can't, I know say you can't write down formula in your hand because you can't have the exam because that's a cheat thing. And you can't write it down in a paper and carry it for the man and catch them and have a tray. Oh, you must know the formula then. Study the formulas from note, and that's why I start from the back to the front.
So we
Because
can get the formula sheet in our exam.
get what? You get nothing, Miss Gilly. Nothing.
I have to ask.
Yeah, man, them not you nothing. All right, so you try to make sure you study the formula them. And guess what? We have enough time because if this is March not come yet, so we have all of March, all of April, because exam are going in May. So only look on it, students. You have 2 months to make sure say you catch the Kramers good. So you can't wait until April last week before you start go back on Kramers. You're gonna forget it. You have to do a Kramers every single day.
Sir,
No,
I forgot about you. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sir, that lunchtime something there. We need you to finalize it.
No, but we not hear nobody come back to me.
No, me I come back. Me come right. Me the
All
right
right.
this right now.
All
Or
right,
you
so
said you were going to check the times
Yeah,
and,
yes, yeah, you're gonna figure it out.
and then share it.
and somebody say,
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Never we for come back to you. You for
all
come
right,
back
then,
to
so
us.
guess what? No, guess what? No, guess what? No, guess what? No, guess what? No. It's before class done tonight. Let me tell you, it's about Rockstone. But I'm not 8:30 this now. What it not serious? All right. This is what is going to happen. I must at least finish off AP because I want to finish AP and I want to give you some questions to do. And I also have a question here to give you. All right, let me be creative because, all right. Remind me, please, Susie Q, before we leave, so I can finalize the mid or something.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
But
so what's that lunchtime thingy?
we just get up. We just want to have like for one question. We just meet up in our lunchtime. We might eat a patty and cocoa bread. And when the
For
patty,
everyone?
yes.
Sir, my lunchtime is at 1 o'clock.
Okay. All right. So I think that's what I wanted to double check to see what time people get lunch and stuff. We're going to talk about it soon. Before class done. All right. Let's just go back to this. Harry, leave me alone, man. Sure. Hey, so when you eat a hot patty and cook and the patty bun you have to drop one juice, and full up your mouth with water, Wow, stay burnt. All right, let's go. Good night, TT. So you don't even tell me good night. At the start of the class, and you come trouble me about that. Sure. All right, let's go. Yes, just study the formulas. Study the formulas, study the formulas, study the formulas, study the formulas, study the formulas. Once you study the formulas, you're good to go. Nobody can play with you. All right? So I'm going to pause right here because you are correct. And then
Take that down.
you want to take that down?
Yes, I'm taking it down.
All right. Take it down. And when you finish, let me know because I have another question to give you.
Sir, what I like is it's a negative question.
No problem. I have many of those. You know what I don't know? I really don't know about this class, honestly, is the number of students in here. When I just started class, I had 8 a while ago. Then I went to 16. And then I gone up to 20. Is Tinder here twice still? Ryan is here twice still.
There are
No, man,
27
no, man.
persons in the group, so
Oh, there are 27 persons in a group?
yes, sir.
Rockstone. Enough people that.
Yeah, Kadiro is to be here, but he's not.
Career is what?
Kadiro is to be here, but he's running a bit late.
Oh, okay. All right, so I can say that my number for this class is 27 then.
Sir?
A bit late. Oh, class will start from 7 over 1 now.
Oh yeah, you're there, Kadiro.
Yeah, but just come in, man. Thanks,
Alright.
Ryan.
Yeah.
Don't know the family I do.
Zoom user.
Evening, sir.
Big up yourself. Zoom user guest. Who is Zoom user guest? Zoom user guest? Who that?
You know, sir, kick him.
Well, I don't wonder, but okay, so Zoom user get for themselves. All right, no. Who is Zoom? So the person on mute. Who is this person?
I'm finished.
No, I'm coming to you, Susie. Who is Zoom user guest? Can you identify yourself for me, please? Hello, 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 Zoom user guest. Who are you? Is that me? That's not me. Mm-mm.
Remove them, them will realize that them and come back.
Zoom user, please. Can you go in once?
I must one spy. Russia.
I mean, we just send him a message.
Are they you? All right, so Zoom user gets stuck with themselves. Yeah, I just need to know who. All right. Can I move now? Am I allowed to? Somebody was writing something. Can I move now, please?
Yes, sir.
All right, good job. All right. 3 minutes. Thank you.
Wait, I will to keep me a while ago, sir. Oh, yeah, try. I mean, was Zoom music. I guess.
Okay, finished? Talk to me.
Yes, sir. We get it. We get the answer, but through a laptop, I can't really tell you, show you, take a picture and show you. But I'm gonna just send you the answer.
Yeah, you can send the answer, man. Send the answer. You can just send the final answer in the chat. Matter of fact, all of you send the final answer you get in the chat for me. This way I will know that you did the question.
Sir, feel free to call me out. At
Which-
least that way we will.
Which chat that, sir? You know, your WhatsApp? Your WhatsApp?
No man, in the chat.
Which chat that?
So feel
The,
free
the,
to
the
call me
Zoom chat.
there, sir.
Yeah, man, I hear
Zoom chat. Okay.
responded to Iran.
All right.
Sir, I sent mine.
Yeah, man, I see them.
In the Zoom chat?
Mm. Guys, very good.
Wait, sir. Coming.
Khadira, I responded to you already, you know. Right, check my screen, please. Some of you are getting an answer that is off because you're not mindful of the order of operations. Brackets of multiplication, division before addition and subtraction, you have to do your brackets first. You notice I keep my 15/2, my 15/2, my 15/2 until the last part because it says that I have to work my brackets first. You notice I'm working what is in the brackets first. So it's 2 times 1 is 2. 15 minus 1 is 14. See3 and then after 14 times 2. Then I'm working out the 14 times 2 to get 28. Then I add the 28 to 2 to get 30. And then I work the 15/2. 2 into 7 goes 1, 2 into 30 goes 15 times, and 15 times 15 is 225. Brackets of multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. You have to follow the rule. And that's why some of you are getting it wrong. Take that off for me, please.
Sure, don't move.
No, man, not moving at all. Because you're going to jump into some big people, something. No. Big people argument this time. No little people around here. Talking about the birds and the bees. The rivers and the stream. Winnie, come back. Winnie. Oh, Winnie, not come back yet. Very good for those of you who got it. And yes,
Sir.
please.
Minute 2 done. You did that very close.
You know, that's what I told you. I don't know about this D word you used a while ago because I don't know what that means.
Yeah, I don't know it neither.
Yeah, but I told you a while ago that you were close. Did I not say close?
Close, yes.
Come on.
Sir,
Good job.
I want to ask you something.
Go right ahead.
Right, I did mine with the 15/2. Me just divide it and get the 7.5.
7.5, same difference. Same difference. A good t-shirt.
It's
You're
okay.
Good. Yes, I.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I. All right. Now, this is where I know we're going to fight tonight, and I'm prepared to fight. I am prepared to fight. This is where I know we're going to fight, and I'm prepared. I know, say. The real maths teachers are good gangster, don't. Gangster shand. We fight in the math class and we fight and get A's. You don't fight and we fight with pen and paper. Let's go. All right, I want you undivided. I want you to come close. I want you to work with me.
I'm finished. Thanks.
Good job, my love. I want you to come close to me now. It says the 10th term of an arithmetic progression is 70. So this is how the questions then will come for you. I developed the topic with you, and the development here now is what it is that we're going to be used to apply here. The 10th term of an arithmetic progression is 70, while the 6th term is 11. It asks us to determine the common difference, the first term, the sum of the first 20 terms, and to write the first 5 terms of the progression. Is almost something I'm asking to do? Determine the common difference, 1. Find the first term, 2. Sum of the first 20 terms, 3. And write the first 5 terms of the progression, 4, something we're supposed to do. A question like this is a good 12 marker in the exam. Yeah, that 3-line question about 12 marks. Maybe 10. Maybe not full 12, maybe 10. All right? Let's go. The 10th term of an AP is 17. How do I write that? The 10th term of an AP is 17. How do I write that?
T10 equals 17, I guess. Or you want to write it out?
No, man. Tell me how to write it. Tell me again, let me write it.
T10 equal, hold on.
T10 equals
plus
17.
B.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Equal A plus N minus 1B.
So what it is?
So N would have been the 17.
Think about it, think about it, think about it. Read the question.
Sir,
read the
so you see you want to write the 10th term?
That
The
again.
10th term of an AP is 17. How do I write that?
A plus 9B equals 17.
Thank you. A plus 9D equals 17. Remember, the 10th term is going to be A plus 10 minus 1 times D. Remember, we did say that is one less. That's why I did that exercise with you. It's going to be one less. It's going to be one less. Somebody was saying to me T10 equals 17. Who was that?
Sir, my name is Chen. Don't mind the name that you see. I like a Chen is the name.
Who is this?
I like a Chen.
Oh, my God. Okay. Okay, my God. You were saying T10 equals, and I did like the sound of that. T10 equals 17. All right. How do we convert T10 now? T10 is going to be what?
T10 would be the 10th term.
Yeah, but how we write the 10th term of an AP?
I think it would be
Sir, same A.
T10.
A plus
A.
9D. Right. So Elijah, that's what I was, when you say A plus, when you write T10, when you say T10 rather, I was like, yes, yes. But you just fall apart. Remember, T10 is going to be A plus 9D. All right. While the 6th term is 11, how do I write the 6th term equal 11?
A plus 5B equals 11.
Very good. What is it that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Follow
sir.
me.
I have two equations in two unknown. How do I work this?
I think you put what T.
No, man. How do I work this now? I have two equations with two unknown. How do I work it? What method do I use here
Sir,
now?
1
If
second.
something, you said unknown. Yeah, SN.
Sorry, elimination.
The one without when you do.
What is elimination? No Ryan, no Ryan, no Ryan. You mix it up, Ryan.
Sir,
Yes, Naja.
at the top one, is that A plus, what's that? A plus
9D.
Okay.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, sir, we're gonna choose. We're gonna minus and then choose an equation to work with.
Yeah, but what I want you to tell me the method. What method calculation we use? I have two equations with one unknown. How do I solve it?
Oh, you go there again. Minus to
Sir,
the
we don't
top
know
from
what the
below.
equation name.
Think you take
Sorry,
out.
elimination.
When you talk about elimination, which topic that commander?
Arithmetic progression.
No, man, tell me, man, come, man.
Minus.
No.
No.
Sir, simultaneous equation.
Duh. Duh. SIMULTANEOUS EQUATIONS. Simultaneous equations. Now we can talk about using the elimination method.
But sorry, that behave like me wrong.
I didn't say you were right, Nido. Right? But I just wanted it to be more specific. But very good though. I heard the elimination method, but I wanted you to say to me, sir, we're going to be solving those the system of linear equations now simultaneously. Right? So I need to see my simultaneous solution to the question now. Unfortunately, this course did not tell me that I'm supposed to teach you how to do simultaneous. This course expects you to know how to do simultaneous. What I'm going to do, I'm going to project something because I know I have to refresh your minds. I know. So I'm projecting something and I want you to look at it, take a couple of minutes, look at it, and then I'll come back and go through the deal. All right? This is what I want to look at. I have my equations up here, my equation 1 and 2 from the question. We've already developed that. Read through, write off, do your own calculation, make sure you get the same answer as 3/2. And then I'll come and explain it to you. 5 minutes.
Sir?
I hear that, sir. You're just in a second. A minute, sir. I heard it, sir. Simple. All right. I heard that, sir. Who was that, sir?
That's me, sir.
Go ahead, Chan Chan.
There's one never hear from the side.
Oh, no, man. I didn't ask you 2 minutes.
Okay.
Went to feed my phone. So. All right. Um. Okay. So let us look at it. So we're going to solve the pure simultaneous equation by using the elimination method. Using the elimination method, right? So one of the ways I will say to students is when we're looking at the simultaneous equation, when we're looking at that method, we have equation 1, equation 2. We're going to look to see which of the two equations is bigger. And you say which one is bigger to you?
9D was 17.
Good. So therefore, I'm going to subtract the smaller equation from it. So that's why I put minus with the second equation because I'm subtracting this equation from it. All right? Now, it's one of two things. One of two things. It's one of two
Sir, why
things.
have the minus?
Yeah.
Each other.
Right. So that's why again work it another way so you can see what it is. So I have a plus 9d equals 17. And then I'm going to have a plus 5d is equal to 11. And I agree that equation 1 looks bigger. So I'm going to say 1 minus 2. I'm taking away the small equation from the big equation. So I'm going to say a minus a equals
6.
0.
a minus a.
0. A or 0.
0. 1a minus 1a equals 0.
Yeah.
What is 9d minus 5d?
4D.
4d. What is 17 minus 11?
6.
6.
6. And then I divide both sides by 4. So that 4 cancels that 4. So d now is going to be equal to 6 over 4. But it can be broken down, don't it?
Yes, sir.
2 into 4 goes 2 times and 2 into 6 goes 3 times.
3.
So d is 3 halves, which is what I have here. And then I'm going to put
Sir?
d equals, somebody said, sir, go ahead.
All right, sorry to interrupt, but my blink and the one blink, my blink.
That's what I tell you now. Come close. All right, let's
Yeah.
go again. So what I'm saying to you, I wrote back my equations. And then I'm asking myself, which of the two looks bigger? 1 or 2? 1 or 2.
One.
And then you said 1, very good. So because 1 looks bigger, I'm subtracting the smaller equation from the bigger equation. So what I'm going to have is 1 minus 2, because I'm subtracting the smaller equation from it. The reason I do it like that is because I know how to love negative signs, and I don't want to get negative signs to work with. So that's why I do it that way. I don't have to do that. Some teacher will say that is foolishness. You don't have to do it like that. But I do it like that because I don't want you to go and subtract 5 minus 9 and go put 4. Because 5 minus 9 is not 4. 5 minus 9 is negative 4. So I have to be very creative in how it is that I do it, so you can get it. So now, what I'm doing is saying, oh, since it's 1 minus 2, I'm following this method. 1 minus 2, teacher, 1 minus this. So A minus A is naught. 9D minus 5D is 4D. And 17 minus 11 is 6. I don't want 4D, I want D, so I divide both sides by 4. The first cancel, so I'm left with D, and I'm going to have 6 over 4. And 2 into 6 goes 3 times, and 2 into 4 goes 2 times, so my D is 3 halves.
6 divided by 4 give 1.5.
Same difference. 3 over 2 is the same thing as 1.5. Same difference. Same difference, Papa. Same difference.
Put the 1.5.
At the same something. At the same something.
But I use a fraction, you know.
you do your 3 over 2, you get the same number. You put your 1.5, you get the same. Let me tell you why. Well, then again, no, it doesn't matter for this one. Yeah. But let me tell you why.
So A equal 3 over 2 then.
Yeah, but before we go there, what if you had got me to be 1/3? 1/3 is going to be 0.33333333, and it go along, we don't know end. So if you decide no, say I go put 1.3, your other part could be wrong.
Well, that you get the mark for trying.
No, we don't want to try. We want the mark. We want the full mark. We want the full mark. All right, so we're going to substitute the value now into or D to be equal to 3 over 2 into any of the two equations now to find the value of A. Which one you want me to use?
Use 11.
E10.
E10? What do you mean by that?
Use 2. Use
equation 2?
Equation 2.
Hold on then, please.
Holding.
So,
What
I
was the
get the 4 and I
question?
need 4D. Because I not get right this, so you know, I tell you the truth. I not get right this.
Where I get?
A plus A, not.
No, A minus A.
Same thing.
This is a minus. So what is in this? This is what is driving my elimination now. So this is a formulation now that I decide that I'm going to use to eliminate the stuff. So I'm saying 1 minus 2. So it's going to be 1, this is equation 1, and this is equation 2. This is going to be A minus A is not. 9D minus 5D is equal to 4D. And then 17 minus 9, 17 minus 11 is
6, yeah.
Is 6.
So 4D equals 6.
Are you following that?
Sir, you just put it over 4. Me think that said D equals 6. I not understand it.
No, D is continue. D is equal to 6 over what? Wait a second. D equals 6 what?
I am going to bring it over. Minus 4.
No, ma'am. What is it 4 doing to the D, mommy?
Multiplying.
Ah, 2. What is the opposite of multiplication, Latisha?
Divide.
So we have to subtract. We have to talk about subtract. Can I do that if we divide? Opposite we are talking about when we're undoing.
Oh, so I said D equals 6 divided by 4.
Yes,
But you're going to put it over it, it kind of confused me.
the difference. Over it, divide by it. On
Oh,
top
the
point.
first one we say 4D over 4.
Right. Yeah, man. No, but no, the reason I do that there because is that what I do with one side, I have to do to the other side. And just remember when we're doing simultaneous equations, when you reach running them places so and solving simple equations, we're undoing. All right. So put D equals 3 halves.
Because I want D by itself.
You want D by itself. Yes, Lord. Thanks. That was Shan. Very good. So this is going to be now A plus 9 times 3 over 2 is equal to 17. Okay, again. A, 3 times 9 is 27, don't? 27 over 3 is equal to 17. Over 1. So, Tisha, look here now. Tisha, come close, come to the front of the class, Tisha. Come at the front. You see now, I have plus 27 over 3. What is the opposite of plus 27 over 3, Tisha? Actually, I should go understand.
No, I'm not gone.
What is the opposite of plus 27 over 3?
You're going to multiply.
No. What is the opposite of addition?
Minus, subtraction.
Oh, plus. Sorry.
Subtraction. Say subtraction.
Subtraction.
Come on. So the opposite of addition is subtraction. So if the opposite of addition is subtraction, the opposite of multiplication is division. Right. So I am undoing the process. I'm finding the opposite. So what is happening here now? I'm going to say A is equal to 17 over 1 minus 27 over 3. I'm undoing the process. So that's why it has to be a minus. It can't be a plus. So look at what is happening here now. LCM here is going to be 3. You see, all of them something within a foundation that come back for haunt us now. Like the simultaneous and now LCM. 1 into 3 goes 3 times. And 3 times 17 looks like 51. Talk truth.
Yes, sir. I get it 3 days, sir, because I told the calculator give me. Heard me had wrong something.
The LCM is 3.
I'll try to find study. We had to do it in a different way.
No man, I'm adding 17 over. I'm combining 17 over 1 minus 27 over 3. 17 minus 27 over 2. Oh, that's what I say now, Shanique.
Yes, sir, because I'm just look a while ago for say I get it.
Yeah, Mr. Way I say, man, no. I don't know, make it 3 from 17 over 2. No, 2 times 1 on 2.
Yes, sir.
Well, me get all nervous. Blow out. 2 times 1 is 2.
Sir, chill down there, right here. Sit down and bust my head to see how you get.
I apologize. Oh, and please don't say it's too late.
Oh, call me your mother.
Sir, it's too late.
They are mother. We have to go with wing at the tree.
Yes. And Ryan, your mother already knows. So just imagine your mother. All right, sorry about that. I don't know what I'm seeing. Jesus. Doubles. So 1 into 2 goes 2 times. And Sean, tell me, sir, you make a mistake. It's supposed to be 2. Don't ask me, sir, where did you get that 3 from?
Sir, that mean.
All right, so 1 into 2 goes 2 times, and 2 times 17 is 34. And then 2 into 2 goes 1 time, and 1 times negative 27 is negative 27. So 34 minus 27 looks like 7, don't? 7 over 2.
Oh yeah, use the first equation. Yeah, use the
I know the funniest thing about it. I have the right answer. Like I said, don't I say no? I don't know how me get nervous a while ago. All right, so I did it up here. but I also did it down here and I get the same 7/2. Take
Sir,
3 minutes and look
sir,
at
me
that
have
and
a
make
question.
go
Sir,
right
when
away.
me do
No,
it,
hold on the culture. Go
Sir.
Shan.
Sir, why put A equals 17? Because 17 is smaller than 27.
you use could be either them.
You know, man, I use this equation.
No, sir, the third row
This
over the working out.
this here, so
Sorry,
Yeah, the next
scroll back.
one.
this one.
Yeah, wait. All right, never mind.
Yeah, man. I just subtracting 27/2 from both sides.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, scroll
Yes,
back a
please.
bit, please.
All right.
The-
No,
Thanks.
yeah, man, no problem. Now, part of the thing in doing the math is, I know sometimes when I do it, you may not see the first time, but it is important that you write up. And in class, students, we don't want nobody lay down on them bed under them sheet with them cell phone under them hand and watch the screen. I'm expecting you guys to be seated around a table, something like that, like in a real class with your pen and your book open and you're writing the notes. So what I want you to do, I want you to write this, and while you're writing, see if you can understand it. What you're not understanding, you put an asterisk and then now when I'm going through it, you ask me so it is that you can catch it. Remember, we are get A's and B's, no C's around here. I give you 3 minutes to look at this stuff, guys. Starting now.
Sir, can scroll go down, please.
It's a first term, sir. What a
Yeah.
method I may use.
Say it
Yeah,
again.
right.
Say it again, Cartoon.
No, I said the second equation me did use.
Oh no, same difference. You get the same answer.
But as I said, I never use fraction, me arrive at 3.5.
Same 7/2 is 3.5.
That me realize.
Yeah, man. Same thing, man. Same thing.
Sir, question. Will it always indicate to us to tell us what to use, the equation to use?
No, ma'am. You have to decide. So don't worry about that yet. Feel it. Just write this up because I have many more questions to give you. Just write this up and then we're going to come to that.
All right.
Cool.
Sir,
Yeah, man.
sir, may I explain? We cannot see, but I'm not understand fully. All right, so you see the third line, we have A equals 17 over 1 minus 12.
Right here?
Yeah. I will do flip them around because I'm looking at
Remember, I'm subtracting 27/2 from both sides. And why am I subtracting? Because this is a positive 27. So I want to cancel it because I want to isolate. I want A alone to be on one side because I'm trying to find A.
Okay. All
So I
right.
have to subtract it from both sides. I mean the opposites. All right, cool. All right, continue writing now.
So you're going to repeat the message from earlier?
Yeah. That's all come.
Sure, me again. They say anywhere in equation 1 or 2 or 3, we will substitute. So is it that we could have used 3 even though they indicated that we use 1 or 2? We would have still arrived at the same question, the same answer?
Absolutely.
That's what I wanted to know.
Yeah, man. Because remember Carter a while ago said him use equation 2 and get 3.5.
Yeah, that's why I asked. I
Yeah,
asked
man.
because I was confused as to.
No, man, you're good, man.
All right, cool.
Let's see. Yo, oh, wait, I can't have a gun for me. I'll do that.
Here, sir.
Awesome, I want to stay. All right?
Yes, sir, we're good.
All right, then. So now that you have the first term and the common difference, the other part of the question asks you to calculate the sum of the first 20 terms. So calculate the sum of the first 20 terms.
That would be S20 equal 20 over 2.
Mm-hmm. Continue.
Yeah, man, I just messed up.
Continue.
Equal to, wait,
Two.
go again. Oh, so it would have been 20 divided by 2
S subscript 20.
times 2a
Mm-hmm.
plus n minus 1b.
Times B. Very good.
A minus 10.
Run it, please. Run it.
So that would be 20, blah, 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 blah. All right, me get using my local method here, so I'm madness. We get S subscript 20 equal 355.
Well,
Can be wrong.
So right.
Let's say sound wrong.
Right.
anybody get it? Yes, Harry, Barry. Yes, Shan. Some of the first 20 terms will be 355. But I want the rest of it to look at it. If you don't get it, Look at it. And then I want you to move to the fourth one, writing the 5 terms. So if you finish that one, write the first 5 terms of the progression for me, but don't rush through this one. Remember, you have to do your brackets first. BOMDA says brackets before multiplication and division, and then your addition and subtraction.
Wait, do you have more? All right there. Oh, first 5 term of progression. What's the job?
Sir.
If you do it in a fraction, sir.
Yo, him said, are the sum of the first 20 term again?
Say it again, Kadira.
Oh, yes, sir. The sum of the first 20 terms.
What about it?
So what are some of the first 20 terms?
Oh, sorry. You see the screen now?
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
I'll copy that probably. After do it in a fraction, sir. What convert it in a fraction? Just in case.
I don't have a problem with you working in the decimal, except that it is not a terminating decimal. You're gonna have problems. So I would say yes. Try and just get the stuff in practice. Your calculators can work the fractions.
Right, I just do. So
Yeah,
that's,
man, put in the calculator, man.
that would be 7/2 for the first term.
In this case, 7/2 is 3.5 and D is 1.5. So you can use the 1.5 and 3/5. I don't have a problem with using that. But if it is a recurring decimal like the 1 point or 0.333333, I have a problem using the decimal. But if it's a terminating decimal like 3.5, I know nothing else come after that. And 1.5 and nothing else come after that. I don't have a problem with using that method. So you can use the decimal. All right, what's the first 5 terms of the progression? I want you to do something before we finish up and then we're wrapping up.
Yeah, I guess so. You
What's
have
the first 5 terms?
In total 3.5. First term at 3.5.
No.
Tell that, buddy. Everything.
I want to write the first 5 terms of the progression. The first term is what?
7/2.
No.
3.5.
3 points? No, but sorry. Carter, you're correct. Oh, Jesus. You're correct, Carter.
Sir, yeah, man, at bedtime. Just wrap it up.
Hey, look at what's without the 7 feel bad.
Yes. Gonna write. Let me say no right. So till. Yes.
Yeah, that is similar.
Yes. I hear me say no strong too. Jesus.
Ever
So-
heard something?
Very.
I was
Again, it's 7/2 for the first one. Remember, let me show you something. Remember, it's A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D. Don't it? Talk truth.
Yes, sir. So that would be 5.
Sir, why you know it's decimal?
Okay.
So it will be 5/1.
A is going to be 7/2 plus, what is D?
1.5.
3/2.
5/2.
Let me oblige you this time. So A is going to be
7/2.
0.5.
3.5.
3.5 plus 1.5 is equal to 5.
6.5.
So 5.
5.
8 and 9.5.
8 and 9.5. Where you get that from? Oh, 8 and. Okay, fright me.
You see, let us be frank. It's not bad.
So this would be in fraction at a 7/2, 5/1, 13/2, 8/1, and 19/2.
19/2 will be correct.
All right, my piece of calculator do you work. All right, I'm reaching the exam, so everything come out of my head.
No, but, blood is against that. The blood of Jesus is against that. There's life and death in the tongue. Don't speak like that to my class. Rude.
Rude.
All right, yeah, go see me. So I work with the laptop.
We don't play lotto either.
Well,
Sir Kadira, I have a question.
Oh, yeah, no.
Kadira,
Put up him on there.
Yes, sir.
Kadira.
No, what problem, yes, sir. Actually, I go through here, you know. So the 20, some of the first 20 terms have the 1, 2, 3. Now the third column, it says 7 plus 57/2. Oh yeah, reach at 35.5. You know the bracket this.
Reach 25.5?
35.5, right? 35.5.
Kadira, don't worry about that one, the man. Okay, open the calculator. Press 7. You work with me?
Yes, sir.
All right, press 7. Then plus. Then open bracket. 57 ABC2. Close bracket. Equal until you get.
So it says 7 plus open bracket 57.
Over 2. Yeah, close bracket. Until you get.
Oh, yeah. And then I multiply by 10 and get change. All right.
Easy. All right, guys.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir.
Yes, my love. All right, hold on, Naja. Susie Q, go ahead.
Sir, that 3.5 here. What if it wasn't a decimal?
You put it at 7/2.
Okay, thanks.
Naja. Naja Boo. Go ahead.
Sir, the A plus 2D. Mistook.
This
So
is
is
the
it
first
the
term
3.5
plus 1.5
plus 1.5 times 1.5?
plus another 1.5. You keep adding one. Remember, you keep adding the common difference in order to get the next term. Talk through. You add 2, or you move to 4, you add 2. Or you move to 6, you add 2. Or you move to 8, you add 2. Or you move to 10, you add 2. Remember? Remember the first question?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that you do.
Okay.
But sir, you would still add the 1.5 if it was 7/2?
Yes, I.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, I get the 6.5 when I add it. I should be there times the 2 times the D.
You didn't know what is estimate.
So may I times the 1.5 times 1.5.
Sure. If you do that. All right. We're going to do one more question for the night. One more question for the night. And I want you to just try your very best at this one, students. Trust me. It's not bad. On the mark, get set, go.
Sir, on your mark, set back, please. I want to say the thing before you have the page, the last one. Thanks. Thank you.
Sir, put the answer in the chat.
Guys, I need to see.
Sir, place the answer in the chat.
Yes, man. Place it. Yeah. I thought that's what it did, Shan. Yeah, man. Place it in chat. I've been responding to others, you know. Okay. I've already identified some students. If they continue this mode, they must pass pre-calculus. And guess what? Not our pass with a C. I have some students that are working with A's already. With A's. With A's. Keep up the good work. Stop doubting yourselves.
So the exam anxiety.
And you should again BT session. And you have a mega BT session.
Sir,
You
Gemini.
here we're gonna get on to for crossing back. You understand? Tiana. Jesus Father. I say, are you Susie? Listen, I tell you in our honestness. Right? Tisha.
Sir, me not understand, please. Me I tell you, me don't understand.
You better understand it or else.
Sir, my upper part.
Yeah, me not ask you.
Sir, it's a message.
Formula play a very crucial role. You have to just remember the formula. Formulas I tend not to remember.
You better remember them.
All right, then formula for my belly with me going at the exam.
Aye, so Father, forgive him.
You can't stay there, mother.
Just engrave it in your skin. Just mark your skin hard till it wheel up. You just rub your finger on it like bread.
I'll get a tattoo. So I get a one tattoo before me. For the final exam, you don't know?
And it won't help you, trust me.
Yeah.
Guess what happened now? We're wrapping up. I've seen some answers. Kerry, what I want you to do for me is I want you to create a poll in your WhatsApp group and give some times. All right, so
sometimes I forget to me create a group, you know.
Right. Monday and Wednesday will be out for me. Some Tuesdays a first Tuesday won't work because I have exec meeting. But a Monday, Tuesday is going to be out for the midday 1 o'clock-ish start. I think. What I want you to create, Kerry, is I want you to do a poll to create which is the preferred day of the week. Monday, Wednesday will be out for me, as I say. And a preferred time. And then no, majority is going to win.
So
go ahead.
So with the
Sorry,
poll,
what is that for?
which days I must suggest, sir, for the poll?
Sorry. What if that is one? One is not the majority.
No, I was saying which days.
So the person was asking what is it for?
Oh, sorry. Just to have some, like a tutorial session. Since we just meet. Hold on. Yeah, like a tutorial session.
Online.
All right. Hear the plan. Hear the plan. I can have a solution. No, but Shanique has a class. You remember you would have had a class at on a Monday, 5 to 7. The business starts would have been Monday 5 to 7. Talk to.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, before you go, you can just do or anybody could just assist me quickly with the last part of the question where it says write the 5 terms of the progression. You can just give me the answer and I will find it myself.
Say that again. Which one that?
1, 4.58, 11.515.
For the conversion, which conversion? Oh. Some point.
All right. My time to relax now. My tea is brewing. My time to relax now. So guess what? Kerry, I'm gonna depend on you to create that the poll for me, so I can have an idea.
So which day I must suggest in the post? I was asking what will be
Tuesday, Thursday, Friday.
Tuesday,
Thursday, Friday,
Thursday,
and Friday. Yeah.
and Friday. So they will choose the
Yeah, but there's a question I have of you.
the time.
Everybody has a class on a Monday at 7 to 8.
I have a class. Welcome 7 to.
I have class 7 to 9.
Okay, can I figure?
7 to 9.
Kind of figure. All right.
So the business starts.
Sir, what about earlier? Because that would be free 5 to 6:30.
5 to
I
6.
know, I know, but it's just that I have a catalog class at 5 to 7.
Them all right.
But so this is what I was saying. You and I are on the same. Hi. So this is what I was saying, is that class is going pretty well. I mean, they work pretty good. So let me tell you what I'm gonna try for Monday. Don't bother with the poll yet, Kerry.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna try for Monday is, if I could meet you, if I could jump in like maybe like a 5 to 6.
Okay.
Okay.
Like a 5 to 6 class on Monday, because I normally give them a little time. And let me try like a 5 to 6 on Monday, coming God's willing, and see how it works. If not, we'll try for something else.
All right, no problem, sir.
Pick up in yourself. Oh, sorry, Kadira, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, make a free Monday.
Good.
The whole of Monday. So
Good.
yes, sir, you have class on 7 to 9.
No, I won't meet 7 to 9. No, but because I have a class 5 to 7. But right, but that group is going pretty good. So I mean, I can give them some stuff to do, because I think I am really moving in that class. That class is, I'm on like the second to last topic, and at this point in the semester, even though the second to last topic is a long one, but I'm at good stead. So Monday 5 o'clock, I will send out a link. Matter of fact, you know what we're going to do? We're going to recycle this link. So send this link out for Monday for me here, Kerry.
I'm serious, see if you can scroll back up a little, please.
What was that, sir?
Send out back this link on Monday for me, please.
Oh, this class?
Yeah. This class is here.
All right, let me just
Sir,
copy.
send this document, please.
So, yeah, I will. Yeah, Kadir, I'll send the document. Say that where I'll send the document. So what you can do, Kerry, is just copy the link from now and send it to yourself.
All right, me see somebody did share it. Let me just pin it in the
WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir. Send the document to the group, please.
Yeah, I will. But
Sir.
So I'm sure majority of us is here in class. As we know, we have 27 in the group, in the WhatsApp group. Me don't know. We had 21 in class. Actually, 20 person come. Me not count yourself. So 7 people must have gone.
Well, what you can do is do a poll to find out where exactly, because I need to get the numbers. Guys, here's the plan. Pre-calculus is not a second. Well, pre-calculus offered last semester. And I need to send the numbers to exams so that enough papers can be photocopied by CCCJ for you guys. I need to send out the numbers to exam. So if I am going to send 21, it means that some people get in a problem. I need to, matter of fact, you know what I'm going to do? Make sure to select my course, I'm going to look at the course in the thing and make sure.
Selected.
Yeah. So just find out from me, Kerry, those persons in the WhatsApp group, if anybody has dropped out of the math class, indicate it, because I will just use the numbers there.
Yeah, because I see a student advisory about the mid-semester period, and it persons who are not eligible
Absolutely, because the papers will have to be reproduced. And guess what? When my mid-semester time come and you're supposed to come in for it, let me tell you something. If me say at 20 hour now, and then when the time come at 27, is it 20 who normally come my class when get the paper? TT, final question. Go ahead.
I just wanted to verify if it's a case where we should just stick to the fraction and not change it to decimal, because I got I converted the 7.2 to 3.5 and then I just timed it, but I didn't get this answer.
Stick to the fraction, please.
I mean, whatever work for you.
Stick to the fraction. I'm going to send a document so you can look at it. All right, TT?
Okay.
No problem.
Okay, sir, good night.
All right, all the best.
Sir,
Yo,
mine working out different. I mean, still get the same answer.
don't worry about it, man. You're good, man. Keep it like that.
Okay.
Yeah, man. You're good. All right, guys. Pick up on yourself later.